Hello everyone, welcome once again in another video. As you already know that I have already explained the whole chart in short, but now I am explaining the types of the verb in full detail or completely. So till now I have explained what is verb and types of verb, helping verb and main verbs. Now and two other types of main verbs, finite and non-finite verb. But today you will be learning about transitive and intransitive verb. These are the types of finite verb. Okay. So without taking the time, let's go to the point because I have already explained it. If you want to learn the verb completely, you have to watch all the videos. Finite verb, it is already explained by me, and non-finite verb. Now we are on transitive verb and intransitive verb. These are the types of the finite verb. Okay, ये finite verb के type हैं. So what is transitive verb? Verb that has an object to receive the action is called transitive verb. What? Verb that has an object to receive the action is called transitive verb. एक ऐसी verb जिसके पास एक्शन को रिसीव करने के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसे हम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. लेट मी क्लियर थ्रू द एग्जांपल्स. सो हियर दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. डोनाल्ड kicked the wall football. डोनाल्ड kicked the football. So what he kicked? क्या किक किया? We have answer of what? Football. It means football is an object. Okay. So football is an object, and that's why we can say kicked is a transitive verb. Now look at the second sentence. He rode motorcycle very fast. What? He rode motorcycle very fast. So here rode is a verb and motorcycle is an object, and motorcycle is receiving the action of rode. That's why we can say it is also a transitive verb. Okay. मोटरसाइकिल जो है वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो रिसीव कर रहा है एक्शन रोड का. ठीक है. सुना. he has broken the mirror. What? He has broken the mirror. It means mirror is an object that is receiving the action of broken. broken is a verb. इस verb का एक्शन कौन रिसीव कर रहा है? मिरर. That's why we can say it is also a transitive verb. So kicked, rode, broken, these all are transitive verbs because these all have objects to receive the action. Okay. So moving to the next type of verb, that is intransitive. So intransitive. Now look at this. A verb that does not have an object to receive the action is called intransitive verb. It means we can say intransitive verb is just opposite of transitive verb. intransitive verb जो है वो transitive verb के just opposite है. उसमें object होता है but it does not have an object. Okay. So here look at the first example. He laughs too much. He laughs too much. What he laughs? We do not have an answer of what, or we can say we do not have an object. That's why laughs is an intransitive verb. Now look at the second sentence. They are writing. What? They are writing. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट दे आर राइटिंग, व्हाट आर दे राइटिंग? बता सकते हैं क्या राइट कर रहे हैं? वी डोंट नो बिकॉज देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट्स वाई वी कैन से द वर्ब राइटिंग इज एन इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। ये एक इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है बिकॉज इसके पास एक ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है जो कि इसके एक्शन को रिसीव कर पाए। नाउ लुक एट द थर्ड, they do not play. What? They do not play. What? They do not play. We don't have answer of what ना, तो हम कह सकते हैं that's why play is an intransitive verb. Okay, they do not play. And let me clear your doubts. So now look at this. This is transitive and this is intransitive verb. So this is the first example of transitive verb. He is driving a car. What? He is driving a car. What is he driving? क्या ड्राइव कर रहा है? कार. Car is an object and driving is a verb. So this verb has an object, car. That's why we can say this is transitive verb. And now look at this. My brother is driving. My brother is driving. But we cannot tell, और we cannot say that what is he driving. हम नहीं बता सकते कि वो ड्राइव क्या कर रहा है. So that's why we can say the driving is an intransitive verb, but here the driving is transitive verb because it has an object, and here it is intransitive verb. Now look at the second example. We are playing hockey. What? We are playing hockey. So playing is a verb and hockey is an object, and this is receiving the action of playing. That's why we can say playing is an object. It means playing क्या है? एक verb है और hockey object है. hockey जो है वो playing के action को receive कर रहा है, तभी हम कह सकते हैं जो playing है वो एक transitive verb है. But now look at this example. They are playing. What are they playing? We don't have answer of what. आंसर नहीं है ना हमारे पास what का, क्या खेल रहे हैं. That's why we can say this is an example of intransitive verb because the playing verb does not have an object. Now look at this sentence. The carpenter is making furniture. The carpenter is making furniture. What is the carpenter making? Carpenter क्या बना रहा है? We have answer. Furniture. He is making furniture. And furniture is an object and making is a verb. That's why we can say furniture is receiving the action of making. So making is a transitive verb. Now look at this example. The child is crying. What? What the child is crying? We don't have answer of what. Or we can say the verb crying does not have an object. That's why it is an intransitive verb. इसका ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, इसीलिए हम कह सकते हैं एक intransitive verb है. और playing, laughing, crying, these are some verbs that always remain intransitive, जो हमेशा intransitive ही रहती हैं क्योंकि इनका कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है, फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस होती हैं ना. Now the students are laughing. So what are they laughing? We do not have answer of what, or we can say laughing does not have an object. That's why it is an intransitive. ठीक है, तो हम कह सकते हैं ये एक intransitive verb है. तो आपने देखा, अच्छे से समझा. So see you in the next video.